Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have a compatible TV and one requirement. Both devices must share the same network. First, install or update YouTube Music on the TV or prepare your phone to cast. Sign in with your Google account so playlists and subscriptions appear. Once signed in, open YouTube Music on your phone and tap the cast icon to detect the TV. This first action links your library to the big screen and prepares playback controls on your phone or remote. Now control playback. Search for songs, playlists, or albums using the phone or the TV app. The search index is shared when you're signed in. Once you pick a track, cue, or add to library, this persists across devices. Use your phone as a stealth remote to scrub, skip, and change volume, or use voice search on supported remotes for hands-free control. Make sure to set the TV audio output to the correct speakers so sound remains in sync and at the right level. To finish, stop casting from the phone or exit the TV app and sign out if it's a shared device. If you prefer Bluetooth, pair the phone to the TV and play directly from the app for simpler control. If playback stutters or fails, first restart the app and check both devices' Wi-Fi. Once done, lower stream quality in settings to reduce buffering. If casting still fails, reboot the TV or router. This usually clears device discovery issues and restores smooth playback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.